Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually created a nice little look for you guys. I call this a Frohawk with a twist. So if you guys like this hairstyle and want to know how I achieved this hairstyle, make sure that you guys keep watching. Oh hey, I am back and it is day 4. So last time I came on here, I showed you day 3 hair and I had these nice little twists in and my, little bangs pushed to the side, but I removed the bobby pins because I have another look for you guys. And I'm actually going to do the same thing to this side that I did to this side, and we're just gonna convert it into a nice little Frohawk. So we shall see how it works. I've never tried it before, so you guys will see it with me as I do it. And then I hope that you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys like it or not. So let's get started, shall we? So you want to make sure that the left side looks exactly like the right, or at least very close to it. Now, it's important when you make your parts to take your time when separating the section of hair, just like you saw there. On an old wash and go, your hair and curls can become really tangled. So when making your parts like so, take your time separating. You don't want to just rip them apart because you're going to cause breakage. Now all I'm doing is just adding a little bit of water to my roots and then twisting my hair up. You really don't need product unless you really want major hold. But as you can see here, I didn't need any. So I'm just repeating the same steps, making my part. The struggle was very real. But after I made my part, I would spritz a little bit of water and then twist my hair up. That's it. Boom. So now that we have that side done, I am going to refresh this side just by retwisting. The only advice I would have about restyling a wash and go is that you want to make sure that you're done leaving it out, because once you start manipulating your hair and doing a lot of different hairstyles, your hairs might get frizzy. It's just not gonna look all fresh and the same. So my only advice is to make sure that you're done with your wash and go. So I'm just using a hair tie and putting this up. Okay, so now we're just gonna take another hair tie and just pick up the back. So as you guys can see, I only wrapped it twice, and that's because I want to be able to fluff it out, bring it up if I need to. And then for this front part, smaller hair tie, or something a little tighter, is I will pick it up this one I will make a little tighter. But I'm manipulating it to meet the other one. To meet right in the middle. So this is the front to the side view. This is the full side. This is the back. This is the other side. So far from what I'm looking at, because I'm not looking in the mirror, I think it looks good. So let me check, give me 1 second. Wow, I love it. So as you guys can see, I didn't use any water when it came to putting my hair up in a pony. I decided to just leave it as is. The only thing I will use is a little toothbrush to lay down, you know, my little hairs in the front. Other than that, this hairstyle is pretty much done. Quick, easy, nothing too crazy. I have to let you guys know I was never a perfect twister when I was younger. Let's just say I was never good at twisting my hair. Doing these twists was a struggle. I didn't know how to secure it, but with practice you will get there. So I am really happy with the way this came out. Wow. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is just another video to add to the list as far as a hairstyle that you can convert into something else. This is definitely a hairstyle that's more casual. So this is a hairstyle that I think you can really dress up, especially if you have day one curls. This is not a look that I would try to do on wet hair though, at least for my hair, just because last time I tried to do a mohawk on wet hair, it didn't really dry the way that I wanted, and my curls wasn't as big and voluminous as I thought they were going to be. So in order to achieve this look, I would recommend doing a wash and go style and then styling your hair on day 2 or on day 3. That way, you know, you have the curls and volume that you want, and you're just gonna manipulate the sides to, you know, get that clean, neat look and then achieve the voluminous Frohawk, you know, when you put it in a ponytail. It's a nice, quick, and easy look, and I love it. It came out better than I thought. And I did it with you guys right here. I've never tried this look before, so I'm very, very, very happy. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. These videos will be coming back to back to back every week. So again, stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.